Now, for the complexion, let's go ahead and get started. I have already primed my face. And we're going to be using some new complexion products. I got the new ColourPop. They had a comparison chart on their Instagram page the day that this came out. And it kind of gave a reference as to, like, if you're this shade and this, you might be this shade and this one. So I picked up shade 185. Dark, I'm in the deep dark 185. So this is what the product looks like. And yeah, let's go ahead and try this. Now this gives you a little less product than most foundations will. This gives you 0.85 fluid ounces. Most foundations will give you 1 ounce, but like I said, this is only $12. So I'm okay with it. All right, so let me go ahead and do this. It does give you a pump, which is nice. I'm gonna pump out 2 of them. I feel like this might be a little bit too light for me. If I get this again, I may go to shade 190 depending on how this performs. So, and I'm using a brush today, and I'm gonna do this all over. I'm not gonna do the 3-in-1. I'm gonna use this all over so we can see how this product actually goes on, how it applies. Oh, actually, no, this might be just fine. And I'm using a brush because this is a very liquid, from what I've seen. It appears to be like a very liquid foundation, so I don't want to use a sponge and like how the product started getting all soaked up into the sponge. I want to get as much product on my face as I can. And from what the reviews that I have seen on this, I've noticed that I think most people were saying that there is no dry down time for this. That is a really pretty coverage, by the way. Yeah, that's really pretty, actually. Turns out. Okay, $12 ColourPop foundation. I hear you. I'm not mad. I am not mad about this. The foundation, it is the No Filter Foundation from ColourPop. You can find this on their website, ColourPop. I believe it's just ColourPopCosmetics.com or ColourPop.com. I purchased 185, and if you guys aren't sure what shade you'll get, go to ColourPop, and they actually have a shade comparison. So it'll let you know, like, if you're this shade in blah 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 blah, this is the shade that you'll want to pick up from here, because that's how I picked this one. And I think they compare it to I think they have comparisons for Fenty, for MAC, and there was like 1 or 2 other ones, but just like really common foundations that a lot of people use. They have they have comparisons for those foundations. So that way it can help you try to find your match. So far I'm up to about 2.5 pumps here. It is a somewhat matte finish. Not kind of like a dried, like a really like full coverage matte like that Urban Decay I used yesterday. But I would definitely say that this is a matte foundation. Like the shine is going away. So if you have oily skin, I think you would really like this. If you have dry skin though, I feel like you might still be okay with this, because it's actually it's so far it's comfortable. Like it's not heavy, and it's not like really super drying. Okay, so I think this is actually a pretty decent shade. I may not have to go to 190.
Mama.
Hi, baby. Good morning.
Do you need a computer with you?
Do I have a computer with me? I do. Would you like it?
Total, that's how to do makeup in no songs.
I'll just have to do makeup with no songs today?
Yeah.
I'm just going to have to get over it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get over it, Mom. You can't.
You want to do songs? Can I get a... What do you say when you need something?
Teach me do tons.
Okay. Here you go. Okay. Since you asked so nicely. All right. So I got 2 concealers. Now, I know everybody and their mama has been talking about how good these concealers are. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to get y'all. I'm going to get y'all if I have some issues. Y'all hear me? All right, so I bought two of them. I bought shade 40, 42, and 40. I was just going off of the skin comparison swatches that they had on their website for this one. So we're gonna see how this goes. Let's go with the deeper one because these do look a tad bit lighter than I was expecting. So I'm gonna go with 42. Thank you, Miss Cynthia. This is ColourPop so far. Okay, let's see. Okay. So I don't know if they're drying or what. So I don't feel like they're gonna be too dry. So I think I have a little bit of time to work with these. Okay. I'm not mad at it yet. I'm not mad at it. Girl, they already got me wanting me to pull my hair out, Miss Paul. So I'm gonna go in with the Sigma blender again. This is their 3D HD blender. And let's go ahead and see how this blends out. Let me go ahead and get in the mirror so I can kind of look at this as it's going. Apologize, I'm gonna be out of the comments for just a second just so I can pay attention and see what this is doing. Yeah, actually, I am liking this. Okay, and I think that was a great shade. So that was shade number 42 in their concealers. The no filter concealer, is that what it's called? Yeah, the no filter concealer, shade number 42. And again, I also got shade 40. And I think what I may do is take a little bit of 40, and I just want to see if this is brightening. Yeah, that does. That actually brightens just a little bit underneath here. All right, so now I've got two of their setting powders. I got one in Banana, this one right here. And then I also have one in Translucent Deep. So I'm actually gonna use both of these today. Gone, Rose. So I'm gonna start with the translucent. I'm gonna try to start with the powder. I'm sorry, in Banana, if I can speak today. Tap a little bit into my cap here. Let's just do that and make it easier. All right, and let's go ahead and see how this goes. Yes, Miss Sabrina, this is ColourPop I'm using so far. I used 185 for the foundation, and I just used 42 for almost all of my concealer with a little bit of 40 underneath for brightening. And let's see how this banana powder, let's see how this does. And that concealer, by the way, is $6. And this powder is $8 on their site. That's, y'all, this is nice. That's nice, y'all. I'm not mad at this. Go on, ColourPop. I am really not mad at them right now. Exactly. That's what I'm curious about too, Nicole. I was actually just sitting here thinking about that too. I was like, please just hold up through the day for me. Please just hold up for the day. All right. This sponge is just getting my nose together. I love it. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier little can't even think what this thing is called right now. Powder puff. Lord have mercy, Brittany. And I'm going to take a little bit of this Translucent Deep now, and I'm going to put this on the areas where I don't have any product as of yet. I mean, any powder as of yet. And I'm going to set this. Y'all know I never like hardly ever put any translucent powder anywhere else aside from my concealer, but I wanted to see how this performs and how it looks like applied. So I'm going to take my little powder puff now. I've got it coated with this product. Go away, powder. Okay. And let's go ahead and just do this, and we're going to just set today. See, now I'm going to have to go and get their pressed powders too, like their blotting powders. Because I was like, yeah, I don't really need those. But now, if everything works as well as these other complexion products, I'm going to have to try it. Girl, what you said, new makeup is that's just, girl, it just makes me want to smile. It's like Christmas when I get new makeup. All right. Yeah, I'm going to see how this holds up throughout the day. And I'm going to come back to y'all tomorrow with how this holds up. All right. But yeah, so again, if you did enjoy, if you're new, please make sure that you like and follow. I'll be back tomorrow, and I'm going to let you know how this foundation held up throughout the day. So be on the lookout for that. But so far, it's absolutely beautiful. I like it. Yeah, and if you want to see my other looks, again, find me on Instagram, Brittkbeauty. And I think that's it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and start getting my kids ready. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. I really love you all. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all being in here. And yeah, I will talk to everybody later. Everybody have a safe and blessed day. And that's it. I love you guys. Bye-bye.